As a good accountant, you must learn how to connect different accounts in Excel to make them interactive, unless you want to be like the cat. Or whenever you are called upon to come and use Excel to link the books of original entry with the financial statement, you shout,
No, 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 no.
So come with me as I walk you through on how to link different accounts in Excel to make them interactive. As an accountant, it's important you know how to connect your books of original entry to the financial statements. You know how the journal connects to the general ledger and how the ledger connects to the trial balance and how the trial balance feeds the financial statement in Excel. So today we'll be linking the trial balance with the income statement so that anything that happens in the trial balance automatically updates in the income statement in Excel. So in our sheet 1 we have the trial balance with these transactions, then sheet 2 we have the income statement with no transactions. We just built the pro forma with no figures yet. So we'll pick this trial balance and connect it to this income statement, and two of them will be the same so that the trial balance will fit the income statement. So you come to the revenue here, you type your equal sign. Once you have typed your equal sign, you go to the sheet 1, which is the trial balance, and pick your revenue, which is this 400. Tap it and hit enter. Then it comes out. Go to the cost of sales, type your equal sign, go to the trial balance, find your cost of sales 200, touch it and click enter. It comes out. Then you now do your gross profit, which is equals to the revenue. Then you say minus the costs, you hit enter. So this is your gross profit. So you can decide to bold this thing so that it looks beautiful. Then you come to your operating expenses. You do the same thing, equal sign, find your rent in your trial balance, look at the rent, you pick the rent, you put enter, it comes out. Do the same thing for your the same utility, equal sign, go to the trial balance, find utility, tap on it, hit enter, it comes out. Total operating expenses, you add these two expenses together, which is you can just add them together like this, then you hit your auto sum, or anyone you want to do it, you add them together. Then you can bold it if you want. If you don't want to, leave it like that. The last thing is for you to do your net profit. You say equal sign, your net profit is your gross profit minus your operating total operating expenses. Then you hit enter. Then you can bold this net profit. So once you have both this net profit, you are through with your income statement. This income statement automatically connects to this trial balance. If you change anything in this trial balance, this income statement automatically change. Look at the COGS is 200,000. Let's change it to 180,000. You will see as this net profit will change. So let's change this COGS here to 180,000 and see what happens. So we have changed it. You go back here, you see that it has changed and your net profit has increased from 40 to 60. So anything that happens in the trial balance automatically updates this income statement. That is how to connect different accounts together in your Excel. The same way you can connect it to your balance sheet so that you don't need to be typing any other thing again. I hope you found this video interesting. I'll see you in my subsequent video. Bye for now.